Look what I got. I am so excited. If you want to see what I got, go ahead, stay tuned while we unbox my new gift. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Let's go. Hey everyone, this is your girl Key, and this channel is called Love Key. On my channel, we talk about self-love. It's all about beauty, lifestyle, wellness. So this is going to be a lifestyle video because, of course, YouTube is part of my lifestyle and it has become and taken over my lifestyle. So therefore, I want to unbox my new camera, which is the Canon M50. So yes, I finally made the investment and invested in a good camera. So I am going to be showing you everything that's inside of this box, and I'm also going to show you, tell you how much I paid for everything. And yeah, this is going to be my last time filming on my phone, which I love my phone. Aww. Hey, but filming on my phone and everything is backwards. Can you tell? Yeah, so no more, none of that. It was just time to invest into a camera, and I'm so excited that finally did. Shout out to my father. This was a graduation. This was a graduation slash birthday gift. So yes, shout out to my father. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you know to make sure to subscribe down below. So go ahead, subscribe, make sure you like, hit that notification bell, and share this with one of your friends. A lot of people always ask, like, the biggest question is, what cameras should I start with? So I researched and they said that this is the best, one of the best cameras to begin with, and it's affordable when it comes to actually getting a quality camera. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video so I can get into this. So first things first, where did I get the camera? I bought this camera from Canon directly because on Amazon it was just so many packages and all that jazz. So I just was like, let me just go to Canon's website and get it from Canon. So that's what I decided to do, and that's what I did. So first things first, I am gonna give you a closer look at these things, but let's go ahead and reveal what's in this box. I have not opened it until now, you guys. I'm so excited. If I can get it out, I'll be even more excited. Let's try that. Okay. All right. So I want to let everyone know, after doing my research, I found that a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people that were like techie into the camera business stated that the most affordable right now will be between the M50, the GX7, and it was a Sony. It was a Sony camera, and I'll list that. However, I decided to get the M50 because it was a little bit cheaper. However, the reviews for it have been rave reviews. So I was just like, I might as well get the M50. If I'm gonna invest in something, I might as well invest in something that comes with, you know, comes with everything I need and is going to give me more bang for my buck, plus is still a little bit cheaper. So this right here is the Canon M50, and I'm going to finally take it out. All right, so far what I see in here is the warranty, which I did get the warranty. So I already signed up for all this stuff online. So first things first, you get I want to say this is a neck strap. That's what it said, but I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's a neck strap for your camera. So yeah, you get a neck strap. So at least you don't have to worry about purchasing this, because you can use this like when you travel with it. So, oh, I do want to disclaim that I did not just purchase the camera. I purchased the Canon M50 media kit. So it comes with a little bit more, but I'm gonna get to that, and I'll definitely link everything down below. So here it is, the actual Canon M50, and I am gonna give y'all close-ups, but yo, it's so beautiful. It feels so good. So I got this one. The one thing I did not like about this camera is that it has a flip out flip out screen. I did not want a flip out screen. I wanted something that would flip up. However, after watching a couple of videos on this particular camera, it's actually more convenient that it flips to the side. Even though, although I don't like it, it's very much so more convenient that it flips to the side. The reason why it's more convenient that it flips to the side is because up here you could put your microphone. So then that way you have your microphone up here, you can have your camera, and you can have everything, flip screen, on this side, so you can still see yourself. And of course you got the lens cap on. You could just take that off, but yeah. So this is what it looks like, and it has a screw bottom. For those that don't know, because I'm be honest, I was looking for tripods today for no reason. I have like 4 tripods, but I was thinking they were only phone tripods, if that makes sense. And yeah, that was dumb, because I can use this on any tripod. The only problem that I'm having is I don't know how I'm going to put it on top of my light, but I guess we'll figure that out once we get there. So what else is in this box? Ooh. So this was the game changer. This is what made me decide to buy the Canon over the Sony. The Canon ran like $718 altogether without additional lens. With a additional lens. However, the Sony ran like $7 something by itself without additional lens. And to add an additional lens on there, it would have came up to like $1,000 something dollars. Or I want to say the lens was like $1,000 by itself. So I love that this kit came with an additional lens, and it also has a stabilizer on it. And yeah, so I really like that. So you just attach it here, and then you have a professional camera. Hello, people. We have the battery, of course, and the battery charger. So we have the battery charger. All right, so let's go to this next little box. I thought this came came with the additional SD card, but oh, it does. This also came with an SD card. The SD card is only 32 gigabytes. So of course I'm most likely gonna be replacing that or getting a better, getting an SD card that has more life on it, because 32 gigabytes is not gonna get us nowhere, honey. Nowhere. All right, so this is the last piece that this comes with. So I get my little microphone, and it's a Rode microphone, and you just put it up here. Thank you. Oh, yeah, you remove this, you remove that little part, and then you place this up here. Oh, you gotta move it up and then tighten it. Okay, so you place this on here, and you tighten it, and boom, voila. Now I have a microphone, so guess what? My sound won't sound so horrible. Even though to me it doesn't sound horrible right now, I do notice that sometimes I am 10 times louder than I actually feel I really am. And then of course it has the cord, so I can attach the microphone and instructions. And that was about it. That was it. So again, what I've gotten in my media kit from Canon, which came to 716, 718, which I'm going to put down below. I got my battery charger. I got my battery. I got my lens, my SD card, my microphone, the plug to hook up my microphone, my neck strap, and I got my camera. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yes, I will have better video, more precise content, if that makes sense. But I'm so excited, so excited. So I hope you guys enjoy all my new videos, and if you're interested in buying this camera, I am going to be filming a review on this camera. But as of right now, I do want to say that this is very lightweight. This is definitely affordable, very affordable compared to other cameras that I have seen, and it actually comes with so much. So I highly recommend investing in this camera if it's going to be your first camera. Also, you can go on Amazon. The only thing I'm scared about with Amazon is it's not always true sellers. So you might be getting it from whoever, and if it's been used before, you know, you got to return it. My motto is I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I just was like, let me go with Canon. I know I get a warranty. I know I get more bang for my buck. And hey, I got all of this all together, and now I could just use my camera. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, you reached the end of this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you have not done so already, look at that word subscribe. Is it red? It is. Go ahead and click it. It should turn gray. Once it turns gray, you have now subscribed to the Lovey community. So I want to thank you for being a part of this community. Make sure to share this video with other YouTubers or anyone you know that's looking for a good camera. And also, you can hit that notification bell So you can see content like this, or you'll see self-love, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Again, as always, stay safe, sane, and sanitized. I love you all, and all my videos are done with love, Key.